Pi baru kini gilong ki kubor bam de kasngi. Ka jingialang ba ar lor ka jingia ka japut ka blaslam halapang am. Ka long ha Assam police camp happen thor hali West Gentle Hills district ne kasngi ublay. Kam shamla poisha kanu ka jingia menjur ka ba khat du ap deng ginong mi khmat ka jat ben riupnar bat karbi tapat. Ya kini ka jingialang la pelong ban ya kran halor ki jing e ba ya de ka hok rap bar ki jing penthut ba man ka por ya kinong rap snong lapang am. Ka jingialang ka baning kong kala long hakat sautrik ujimang hre hadin kani kala pelong biang ye ka jingialang ka baar hakat pratrik ujimang. Na kaliang ka Sorkar Meghalaya ki balaya don benta kani ka jingialang ki kentup ya Home Secretary basi ke IAS Deputy Commissioner ka West Gentle Hills ba Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS ba Superintendent of Police ba Jakpal Singh Thanau IPS ringkat barki officer na Karbi Anglong District Assam. Haba crunch kilat pathai ko bor hadin ka jingialang uskat trish nong katapan bindro rongpi ulo ong ba ka jingia kran kala plet jingmut halor ka jingia ka jai ka hok ram ha ka tehi ka jaka ulo ong bana kaliang ki karbi kim dan jing prasha ya ka jingrap nri ki dang yai kam ba ka tehi ka khindau ka tehi ka trai jongki urong pi ulo ong ru ba kaliang karbi kamla ban piang ka nu ka jingia menjur ka ba ailat tang ya ka we ka kinhun ban ram kat ba khanglat ya ki wei Ula banjur banamar ba katika jaka kadang day ka ba don jia ka jia kinu ki rai ki de long ki ba klem sha liang bar ki bala ban pediang lang na baro aliang mamla karkum ka jia thu jang u ki nomi kman kaliang karbi kim shimla soy ye ka jia menjur ka bala terwa na madon katu kat ne ki kindon ki ba kemla ban pediang ka jia ka jia put halapang am kalane la bun snem bar ka junang jur kham tam ha ka ayom rem ha ga bagi nong rap shnong ki kno bagi ju sha penthut bat sha khanglat ban rap sha ki hali ki borsen shar jula Meghalaya bat Assam ki dang yai beteng ban pelong yi ki jingelang jingia slok lang ban penne ye ka shongsuk shnong bat ban lai na kinu ki jing kolmar ha ka te ka than khapun
Today we had a short discussion regarding the problem that has been going on since 2023. Today we had a short meeting with the Lapangap villages headmen, the secretaries, and also the administrative from both sides, that is Meghalaya and Assam. Today we had a small discussion, but nothing such a resolution has come out. We had requested them, if since the paddy field belongs to yours, you can cultivate. We have no more objection regarding that cultivation. But since the land apart from paddy field, since it belongs to us, they allowed us also to cultivate or do any kind of development in this particular land. But from that side, they said a permanent cultivation such planting of trees or bamboos or whatever that will not be allowed. Only a 1-year term cultivation will be permitted. Then I told them, if you have made such a if you have made such a rule or such a thing that only such kind of cultivation could be carried out in this particular area, that means this area already belongs to yours. It is you who said that the area is a disputed area. If it is a disputed area, how comes that you make such a law that only such kinds of culture can be done or can be carried out in such and such a place? So from our side, from our part, we said, since you cannot agree to our request, we have already allowed you to cultivate the paddy field, but you didn't allow us to do any kind of development or cultivation in the hill areas. So we cannot agree to the point. Since you didn't agree to our request, so we also will not agree to the point which you have been raised. We will not sign to the agreement on what has been passed by you regarding the land. That is what we have discussed into this meeting.
So any incident took place since morning?
So far, the morning they started tilling of the paddy field. Then we told them, until unless the final decision has been done, no such culture should be carried out. But they didn't agree. They continue on with the work. So we told the administrative, this is not good for us, because this is not the it should be empowered in such a way. If a referee go one-sided, then the game won't be fair. So that's why you, the law and order, should should carry it out according to the rule and regulation. It has to be carried out. That's what I told them.